face, seen it all and left this town. I've lived in a cave, I've traced the same old path again, but I feel something's left behind between the cracks. So you must ask, why have we not changed our minds? We're the villains of our own story. How long have you been drifting? How long have I been hiding? How long have we been waiting for just the right time to say goodbye? Hey, my old friend, toss a rope and pull me out. Will I see it all again, but give it up? So you must ask, why have we not changed our minds? We're the villains of our own story. How long have you been drifting? How long have I been hiding? How long have we been waiting for just the right time to say goodbye? And it was just fair doing its job, leading us to dry-eyed goodbyes. I'll never know why I had said. And it was just fair doing its job, leading us to dry-eyed goodbyes. I'll never know why I had said. How long have you been drifting? How long have I been hiding? How long have we been waiting for just the right time to say goodbye? Hey, my old friend, take my hand and lead me out. Take my hand and lead me out of here. Hey, my old friend, hold my hand and lead me out. Hold my hand and lead me out of here. How long have you been drifting? Oh, how long have I been hiding? How long have we been waiting for just the right time? How long have you been drifting? Oh, how long have I been hiding? How long have we been waiting for just the right time to say what we really mean? We're just villains of our own story. We're just villains of our own story.